So it wasn't a failure. It was actually a success, I'd say. I think it's really cute. Like, where am I going? I'm literally going nowhere. We're in quarantine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabrielle. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this super bouncy, cute. I'm getting 90s vibes from it as well. Flexi rod set. And of course I use flexi rods to achieve this. 25 in total to get this bouncy style. One side is more curled and defined than the other. This side is struggling a bit, and obviously you can see like it's slightly smaller than this side, but this always happens to me. But that is just because this was the side I started on and I didn't really know what I was doing. But this side, you know, it worked out. So at least I know what to do for next time. But yeah, if you are interested to see how I achieved this style, carry on watching. And yeah, let's get it. Oh, but before we get into it, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss future content. And yeah, let's get into this look. It's so cute, right? So I thought it would be cool to like try and do my first ever, let me zoom into that, flexi rod set. No, what are these called? Yeah, flexi rod, bendy rollers, whatever you want to call it. And I don't know how many's in here. Let me actually, there's 42 bendy rollers in here, so it's quite big. And they're all different sizes. So it would just be about figuring out which ones I'd want to put in which parts of my hair and stuff. So like, maybe the bigger ones at the back, smaller ones in the middle, and then like the medium ones in the front. I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go along. Let me part my hair. As you can see guys, got the 70s, 80s vibe going on with this afro today. I just thought it'd be easier to comb it out and brush it out so that it's just easier for me to like part it and stuff. So I've got a hairband on as well, but I am gonna put it into sections. So I'm gonna use my mist bottle, and in here is just water. No, I have aloe vera juice in here right now, so I'm actually gonna just switch it out just for water. My Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil, and this is, I think it's a leave-in conditioner. What is it? It's a strengthening buttercream. It's a leave-in conditioner, so that's what it looks like. If it focuses. Like what I'll do is I'll wet my hair with the water, then I'll put the leave-in conditioner in. And then on top of that, I mean, I don't know what this is gonna do, but I really wanna use it. I've never used it. Then I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Texturize and Curl Setting Lotion. Gonna be my first time trying out this today, so we'll see how that does. This could be a shambles, or this could like turn out really, really nice. So I'm hoping it turns out really, really nice. It's so soft. Guys, so I've decided to do the sections like this size because looking down, there's 42 in here and I have a lot of hair, so I don't want to like get halfway through and I realize I'm running out. So I thought, let me just play it safe. And obviously they're all different sizes, so I need to figure out which one I want to put where. I'm thinking, let me show you guys what it looks like. So there are 5 colours and each colour represents a different size, obviously. So I'm sure the biggest one is the blue one. That's the biggest one. I separated out the colours, and as there are 7 colours, there are 6 of each colour. I'm actually just trying to figure out which one will be best in what places in my hair. I feel like I should have got 2 packs of this. Just want to make it like damp, but not like wet. And then gonna add, oh, smells nice, the setting lotion. It's very liquidy. I'm gonna loosely twist it so that like my roots are like flat. And then yeah, like that. Okay guys, so I've done one side and I think, no, there's a total of 5 on this side, and I used 2 orange, 2 yellow and 1 green one right at the top there. So I'm gonna do the same on this side, and then I'll just have the 2 front sections, which I think I'm gonna use the bigger rollers for, but just do smaller sections. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm about halfway through, well not even halfway through, I've just got this little section left. I'm looking a bit crazy right now, but as you can see I have so many different colours all over my head. So I know when I take it out tomorrow it's going to be different size curls, which is kind of what I wanted. I'm sure I have slightly smaller ones in the back and slightly bigger ones on top. This red one is the smallest rod I've put in my hair so far. I've tried to do it like symmetrical on both sides because obviously I split my hair in 2. So yeah, I think I have about 5 or 6 more to do here. Hey guys, it is not the next day, it is 2 days later. So I did this hair Monday morning, like early in the morning, and it is now Wednesday evening. So I'm finally about to take it out. I didn't intend to leave it for this long, but I felt like because my hair usually takes quite a while to dry, I was like, let me just play it safe and leave it for like a day longer. So it's definitely dry. So we're gonna take it down and see what we're working with. Hopefully it's turned out good, hopefully. Because as you guys clearly saw, I put different size rollers all over my head, but you know, that's kind of how I roll, so we're gonna see. I can't even see what I'm doing. Let me start with this one. And I think I like succeeded in like can't even speak, rolling them all the right way. I tried to roll them all so the curls would all be facing the same way, but I don't know if oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. That's so nice. Well, this is going well. This is going really well. I do feel like them aunties though, with this roller set in. And to be honest, that's also what I was gonna say. It wasn't actually that bad sleeping in it. Like I slept quite comfortably. I was alright. I thought it would have been a bit of a hassle because I think, have I slept with perm rollers in before, and that was not comfy, but this was decent. It was alright. I still got like 2 nights worth of good sleep, so it wasn't bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so obviously now I'm just gonna fluff it out because I did twist the roots slightly, so that I think that really helped actually. But obviously this side looks nicer than this side, which always happens with my hair. But this side, I didn't really know what I was doing. But this side, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna unravel them and then pick it out, fluff it out, add volume and whatnot. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom mirror because I can't really see too tough with this lighting, and unravel it a bit more and then pick it to add the volume. So I'll be back. Just go through it with my pick and just lifting it up in certain places because I know the back is probably looking really flat right now. So I'm just, and I love the little fringe effect. I feel like I'm back in like, what era is this from? The 50s, the 60s? I don't know. You know what I mean. But yeah, I feel like it's very flat at the back and I know there's a gap, but I don't want to fluff it out too much. This is so cute, guys. I'm definitely gonna do this again. Maybe I'll do it like bigger so that I can get bigger curls and it can be like shh. Because right now it's a bit small, smaller than what I probably would have liked. Yeah, this side defo got messed up. The other side is way nicer. But oh my, I love it. It's so cute. I think I'm done fluffing it out. I think that's as much as I want. I think if I do it anymore, it will just kind of ruin it. I think I like it better without the bangs look. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm slaying it. I like it. I'll definitely do it again. So it wasn't a failure. It was actually a success, I'd say. I really like it. The thing is though, like, where am I going? I'm literally going nowhere. We're in quarantine and this is just gonna be shown to you guys and the house. Like, I am really not going anywhere. And also, I don't actually know how I'm gonna preserve this style. Yeah, we'll see how this holds up over the next couple of days, but I don't think it will. We'll see, but that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed, you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss future videos and everything like that. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.